What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Cops Take Down Unhinged Violent Woman." So let's get into the video here. Let's see what they talking about.
This woman has gone on a violent rampage around her neighborhood, which could have cost her her life.
You.
Come here.
Give me that gun. I know.
Here, hit me here again. Boom, 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 boom. Wham. I had my Glock in my pocket. It was very touch and go. I almost had to take her down. I mean, physically take her down.
Cops arrive on the scene only knowing a woman has been causing chaos and attacking a neighbor who has warned they are armed.
Hey, you the one that called? You put your firearm away? Your firearm?
I don't have one.
Okay, somebody else called.
Yeah, yeah, that's the guy, the neighbor. Okay, like I was telling her, she just got back from a rehab, okay, in West Palm on Thursday, okay? Yesterday she went with somebody, some male. In my room, I found a pill bottle, and I looked him up, and it's...
Where is she right now?
She's right there.
Okay.
Like, she needs to get...
Is she on something right now?
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. Whoever she went with yesterday, I'll bring you the bottle out here.
Okay.
Because I got my dog, but...
What's her name?
Her name is Renee.
Renee?
She just spent 8 days, like I said.
Has she threatened you or anything like that?
No. She's fine. I mean, she threw...
Does she reside here?
Yes, for the last 2 years she has. She's my girlfriend. But...
So what, she's high right now? That's what this is?
I don't know. Like, I guess because...
All right, hang out here. I'm gonna talk to her. Renee! Come here.
I love you. I work for my dad. No, you're the mom. Let's make love. Let's make up.
Come here.
It'll be strong. F you.
Come here.
Give me that gun. I know. It's a joke.
He's gonna get it
I know
right.
that you love me.
Get down on the
I'm not that strong. We make love.
back.
I'm not that strong. F you. I missed you. Please get me off. I need run. I need you. I need everything. I need a gun. I need love. I need everything. I'm sorry. I need God. Stop. I'm gonna die. Justin, don't do that. I love you. Watch me. I need God. He died. I love you. It's okay. I need God. I gave God.
Relax.
I gave everything.
Renee.
I gave
Renee,
everything.
listen to me
I
right
got strong.
now.
I need you, Justin.
Put your right hand.
I loved up. I need you. I need love.
I
We
don't know
need
if I
love.
can flip her arm
Let's be
back.
strong.
Yeah, she's
I've got her legs right
I need
now.
love.
If you want to
Give me a goddamn
give her a little
coffee.
space
I need a water. Get me Coke.
and grab that right
I need
arm.
Brengazzo. I need a lover. I need Brengazzo. I got the... It's okay. Get off me. I'm gonna die. Get off me. I like it.
You got the legs?
Yeah, I got the legs. God. I got up. Get off me.
You got the right arm?
I got the left.
It won't bend back.
I got
Watch
the left
out, watch
arm.
out. You're gonna hurt
I
her.
got the legs. Hey, let it up. I got it up. Get off
Renee,
me.
give me your right arm.
I got her left. I got her left and her legs. Give me a water. Give me a running Diet Coke. It's okay. Get off me. I made up. Get off. I love you. You're sorry, God. Don't do this to me. I love you. God, get off me. I love you. I'm gonna die. Get up. I need you. Love me. Get off me. I need a water. Get off. I need... God, stop. Put it on me. Take it off. I love you. I need that. I need love. I need love. I need I need water.
I need 25.
You love-
You can clear the tail. She's high right now. That's what he told me.
I'm high right now.
Call the bus. Yeah,
Call the bus. I didn't make it. I hate you. I
Get
love
over
you.
far, please.
You're fat. You're a lover. You're a lover. I love you. You're my dad. Give me back. I need love. Take me back. No, don't do this. I love you. I need you strong. Put me in my car. I need you strong.
Yeah, them short-term rehabs be a waste of time. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Put me back.
They not rehabilitated.
Hold me up. Put me on this ledge. I need love. I need everything. Take me off the gloves. Take me strong.
God damn, titty about to pop out and everything.
All right, man. What's your first name?
I'm Michael.
Michael.
Yes, sir. Oh, man, I can't.
What's your middle name, Michael?
He look like he be getting high
What's your last
too.
name?
Fleming. The
Who is
model.
she to you?
She's my girlfriend for the last 2 years.
Okay.
And like I said, she went to this place called The Haven,
Okay.
West Palm. She got kicked out after like 8 days because she was starting to have anger issues, this and that. Well, anyways, she came back on Thursday. Friday, she left. Whoever was on that bottle came and picked her up, drove her to get around, this and that. And tonight, we're sitting there, we're laying down, me, my mom, and my nephew. We all watch a movie, we eat, we go in the room. She falls asleep for like 20 minutes, and then, boom, she's up. And I
And she only took this. She didn't take anything else.
Yeah, well, there's two different things in there because I looked it
I
up.
think another deputy has it right now. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, it's right there. When I looked them up, it said lorazepam or clonazepam or something, and then baclofen or something. I don't know, like a muscle relaxer. I don't know. All I know is I've called her mom like 15 times before I called you. I was like, what do you want me to do? Like, I don't know because she, like, you heard her. She's gone. Like,
Yeah.
She grabbed my TV and, like, and my mom, like, you know, I don't care. I'm not, you know, I don't press
No,
charges
she
or
never hit you or nothing like that?
No. She grabbed me and, like, tried to keep, but she didn't. No, I'm not. I would never. She didn't. She just kind of, like, grabbed me as she was trying to come out the door, you know? She didn't hurt me. She didn't do nothing. I'm fine. Like I said, she threw the TV down. My room's destroyed.
Okay, and you guys have lived here for 2 years?
For 2 years, sir.
Okay, hang out by the garage. Give me a couple minutes.
I'll be right out, okay?
All right, that's fine.
Thanks. I need help. I need everything. I know you. I love everything. Give me a Xanax. Right now, I see red lights. Help me up. Pick me up. Get me out this car. God damn it, pick me up. Lift me up. Give me my friend. Krista Hyde, I need you. Get me out this car right goddamn now. I need a cigarette. I f***ed up.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Give me a damn water, a drink, a wedding ring. Krista Hyde Randazzo. F you, little Randazzo. I love you. I f***ed up. You are a Randazzo. You are my best friend. You goddamn you little Randazzo. My sister, I love you. Open this door, you little I love you, little sucker. Get the fuck away from me. I love you. But don't f up again, because you f me up, you little bitch. I love you, Randazzo. Take the gloves off. We are friends. You're my sister. I just f***ed up. I'm sorry. I mean everything. You are my love. You're my God. You're everything. We made love. I know we f***ed up. It's okay. We can move on. I overdosed. We made love, but it's okay. I moved on. I got up. I got strong. I took the gloves off. I don't have drugs. I didn't suck a dick. I didn't f*** Randazzo. I didn't love a bitch. I didn't love a Randazzo. I don't need that. I need to be in this car. Get the f*** off of me. I love you. Get back. Let's make out. Get fucked up. Stop it, Meg. I love you. These cuffs are too tight. Take them off now. Let me up. Take your hands off me. Get these cuffs off me, goddammit. I'm gonna die. Get me to my knees. I want to do it.
You're the other, you also called, right? Okay. Is there any damage to this that you see? Because she was messing with it pretty strong.
No, she was rolling around here. She tried to break my window. She tried to pull the door. She tried to get in the door. She smacked the shit out of me a couple times. I thought she had a knife, so I pulled my gun. And
She
I
actually
threatened
hit
her.
you?
Oh, I almost put my, she hit me. She hit me 3 or 4 times.
You want to
sir.
press charges? If it goes that
No,
route,
she's a
It's tough. It's tough because she's high. You know what I mean? Like she's not in her right frame. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't. You don't really want to press charges. You know what I mean? Like unless they really damage something. But like, I feel bad for this lady. Honestly, you know what I mean? Like drugs and alcohol. People with drugs and alcohol problems and stuff like they get like stuck in this like circle, you know what I mean? They try to get clean, they can't. Then they relapse, and then they like it's just a revolving door. Sucks, man.
druggie. She's a druggie.
Yeah,
He
okay.
sells them. He sells them. I watched them. I watched
how
them.
does he sell it?
They pull in the driveway, and he comes out of the house, and then they pull away from the driveway. I heard something this morning. I was reading the newspaper, and I could hear. It sounded like arguing. She was arguing with herself. She was arguing with herself. She was screaming. She was trying to break into their house. She started banging on the doors and the windows in that house. That's how I heard. Then she started rolling on the ground. She grabbed the palm tree. She tried pulling the palm tree down. She knocked her mailbox down.
Across the street.
She came over at me real quick, started telling me, and hit me here, hit me here again. Boom, 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 boom. Wham! Whacked me right in the freaking head, man, right in the face. I had my Glock in my pocket.
Okay.
Touch and go.
That was so scary.
It was very touch and go. I almost had to take her down. I mean, physically take her down. Took 2 or 3 of you guys, so would have taken.
Yeah, would have. Hey, sometimes you gotta put him down like a dog. You hear me? Shit. Hey, listen. He said I had that thing on me, boy. She made one wrong move, boy. We was gonna send her to the afterlife. You hear me?
Me, everything I had to get her.
If I need anything else, it's not a problem if I give you a call.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, I appreciate it.
No problem. Thanks for coming.
Of course.
Renee was charged with burglary with assault or battery, burglary of an unoccupied dwelling, battery, resisting an officer without violence, and criminal mischief.
I release brand new unseen body cam footage each.
Damn. I wonder how much time she gonna get. Well, probably probation. Yeah, she'll probably get probation. You know how that go. 6 months probation. But you could tell the dude do drugs too. Facts. So by the neighbor saying, yo, he sells them and this and that, you could tell the guy definitely is involved with some drugs or whatever. And she's, a junkie. Man, who would want to take something that make you act like that? That sounds like a bad idea, boy. That shit sounds so insane. I think the cops did a pretty good job, though. I give them 4 out of 5. They did a pretty good job. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.